Facts are the building blocks of science. When you are a scientist, the facts you know and how confident you are about their veracity is as important as the soil on which farmers grow their crops. In our daily life, evaluating how reliable information is extremely important to make wise choices and understand reality better. In this course, we are not trying to change your opinion about anything. We are giving you tools you can use to evaluate information. We are not experts on most examples we are displaying here, and we are using them only to illustrate what we say. My name is Baptiste Piguet. I am a PhD student at the Beberham Institute in Cambridge, UK. I am studying biology of aging and I am passionate about critical thinking since years. Before continuing, I would like to thank the public engagement team of the Beberham Institute. I would especially like to thank Sacha Pratt-Staway, who has consistently followed me and supported me throughout the creation of this workshop, from the first year of my PhD. I would also like to thank the Cambridge Trust for providing me with a scholarship for the duration of my PhD. In this workshop, here are the topics we are going to explore. Firstly, the differences between facts, knowledge, personal opinions, and choices. We are going to see then how critical thinking can help you in all of these domains. Secondly, I will explain to you some common fallacies, which are natural but misleading ways of thinking. Then, we will see what a correlation is and why it doesn't always result from a causation. Then, I will tell you how scientists produce knowledge, find facts, and explain the world using the scientific method in their domain of expertise. Finally, I will make an overview of everyday sources of information, discuss their reliability, their strengths, and their drawbacks. This workshop is composed of several videos, at the end of which we'll have a quiz to complete or a short question to answer.